In 1942, the most dangerous person in occupied Manila wasn't a soldier with a rifle. It was this woman, sitting at a desk. Her bosses at the Japanese Fuel Union loved her. They thought she was the perfect diligent cog in their military machine. But Florence had a secret. Every time she typed the fuel voucher, she was committing an act of war, diverting thousands of gallons of gasoline directly to the resistance. She was invisible because she was just the office girl. For 700 days, Florence smuggled food and medicine and rerouted the fuel right under their noses before she was eventually captured in 1944. It took decades for the world to realize that while generals were fighting with steel, Florence was winning with ink. You don't need a tank to win a war. Sometimes all you need is a typewriter.